Palpitations are an awareness of your own heartbeat. Normally, your heart beats steadily in the background and you don't notice it. But when something changes, maybe the rate goes up, the rhythm becomes irregular, or a beat feels unusually strong, suddenly you become aware of it. Patients describe this in many different ways. Some say it feels like a fluttering in the chest. Others describe it as pounding, racing, or thumping. Some say it's like a skip beat, followed by a heavy thud. A few even say it feels like a bird is trapped inside their chest, flapping around. So why do these sensations feel so different? It comes down to the heart's rhythm and the force of contraction. For example, an ectopic beat often feels like a pause than a big thump. That's because the heart takes a slightly longer rest, then pumps out a larger volume of blood, which you feel as an extra strong beat. On the other hand, a rapid run of beats feels like the heart is racing or hammering in the chest. That's why we take the story of how it feels and what else is going on very seriously. Now, it's important to say that not all palpitations are dangerous. In fact, most aren't. Some people notice their heartbeats feel louder or stronger when they lie down, especially on their left side. That's actually really common, and it has a few simple explanations. When you lie flat, more blood flows back to your heart, which makes each heartbeat slightly stronger. At the same time, your heart sits closer to the chest, so you feel those beats more clearly, especially if you're on your left side where the tip of your heart presses a bit closer to your ribs. It also has to do with awareness. When you're lying quietly in bed, there's no noise or distraction, so you naturally tune into what your body's doing. Even normal heartbeats can start to feel intense because you're noticing them more. And for some people, the change in body position can slightly alter heart rhythm or trigger the occasional extra beat, which makes the sensation even more noticeable. So it's usually not that your heart is racing, it's just that you're lying flat makes you more aware of every beat.